Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale Mini. To begin, your main goal is to destroy your opponent's towers while protecting your own. You'll deploy a variety of troops onto the battlefield, each with unique abilities. Careful elixir management is crucial for success, allowing you to play cards at the right moment. Understanding these core mechanics is your first step to victory in the arena. Building a strong deck is fundamental to playing Clash Royale Mini. You'll choose 8 unique cards, aiming for a balanced mix of offense and defense. Think about how your cards work together. For example, a tank unit paired with ranged attackers. A well-rounded deck, featuring both high and low elixir cost cards, will give you flexibility and adaptability in every battle you face. Mastering elixir management and troop placement is key. Your elixir regenerates at 1 point every 2.8 seconds, so timing is everything. Often, placing troops behind your king tower allows you to build up elixir for a stronger push. Utilize spells to either support your attacking units or to quickly eliminate groups of enemy troops, turning the tide of battle in your favor. To truly excel in Clash Royale Mini, delve into advanced tactics. Understand how each card interacts with others, leveraging their unique abilities. Practice your timing for both attacking and defending, as a well-timed spell or troop placement can win the game. Watching your replays is invaluable for learning from mistakes. Joining a clan also offers a great way to share strategies and improve with others.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.